In today's digital world, online reviews are more than just opinions. They're a form of public influence. Whether it's a glowing 5-star rating or a frustrated 1-star rant, reviews shape how we choose where to eat, what to buy, and who to trust. For small businesses, a single review can boost visibility or damage reputation. For consumers, reviews are a way to share experiences and help others make informed decisions. They've become a cornerstone of digital accountability. But with that influence comes responsibility and risk. What many people don't realize is that online reviews are considered published statements. That means they're subject to defamation laws in many countries. Defamation occurs when someone makes a false statement that harms another person's or business's reputation. And yes, this applies to everyday people posting on platforms like Google, Facebook, or TripAdvisor, not just to journalists or media outlets. The key issue in defamation law is falsehood. If your review is true, you're generally protected. But if you make a claim that isn't accurate, especially one that implies serious wrongdoing or damages someone's reputation, you could be sued. For example, saying "I didn't like the service" is an opinion. But saying "this business scams customers" is a factual allegation. If it's not true and it causes harm, that's where the legal issue begins. That said, the law doesn't aim to silence honest feedback. In fact, many legal systems provide important protections for reviewers. If your review is based on fact, clearly expressed as your opinion, or raises a legitimate public concern, you may have a legal defense. These include truth. If your statement is substantially true, it's not defamatory. Honest opinion. If your review is clearly your personal view, based on facts and not malicious, it may be protected. Public interest. If your review contributes to a matter of public concern, like safety, ethics, or consumer rights, it may be defensible. Some countries also require plaintiffs to prove that a defamatory statement caused serious harm, which helps prevent playful lawsuits. However, not all legal systems have this safeguard. In some cases, businesses may respond to negative reviews with legal threats, not necessarily because the review is false, but to discourage others from speaking out. These lawsuits can be used as a pressure tactic, making the process so stressful or expensive that people feel forced to take their reviews down, even if they were truthful. While some legal systems are beginning to recognize and push back against this misuse, protections vary widely. That's why it's so important to know your rights and to write responsibly, so your voice remains strong and protected. So how can we protect our right to review while staying safe? It starts with being thoughtful. Stick to your experience. Avoid exaggeration or personal attacks. Don't make claims you can't prove. And when in doubt, frame your words as your perspective, because opinions, when clearly expressed as such, are often protected. Online reviews are a vital part of a healthy digital ecosystem. They empower consumers, hold businesses accountable, and foster transparency. But they also come with legal responsibilities. By understanding the risks and your rights, you can speak up with confidence and help keep the online platforms a place where honest voices are heard.